Today, I want to share something very close to my heart, my English experience. When I was in school, English always felt like a tough subject. The grammar rules, the pronunciation, the big words, they scared me. I remember one day in class, the teacher asked me to read aloud. My hands were shaking. My voice? Barely a whisper. The whole class laughed when I mispronounced a word. That moment? It stayed with me for a long time. But then, something happened. One evening, I was watching a movie, yes, in English. I didn't understand most of it, but I could feel the emotions. That day, I decided I will learn English, no matter what. I started with small steps. Reading children's books. Watching cartoons with subtitles. Practicing simple sentences in front of the mirror. It was funny at first. I would say, I am going to the market, but it sounded like, I am going to the market. Of course, it wasn't easy. Sometimes, I felt embarrassed. Other times, I wanted to give up. But here's the truth, mistakes are part of learning. One day, a friend told me, don't focus on being perfect. Focus on being better than yesterday. That advice? It changed everything. I started practicing more, speaking with friends, writing a diary in English, and yes, talking to strangers. You know what? Talking to strangers was the hardest. Once, I went to a shop and said, "Can you give me 2 mangoes?" The shopkeeper smiled and said, "It's mangoes, not mangoes." I smiled back and said, "Thank you for teaching me." That day, I realized, people don't judge you as much as you think they do. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. I found some fun ways. Listening to songs, I'd play my favorite songs and try to sing along, watching YouTube videos in English with subtitles. Playing word games, Scrabble, crosswords, and even mobile apps, every new word I learned felt like a little achievement. The day it all paid off, then came the big moment. One day, I had to give a presentation in English. I was nervous, but I remembered all my practice. As I spoke, I could see people nodding, smiling, and listening. When I finished, they clapped. That applause? It wasn't just for my English. It was for my hard work, my journey, my determination. So, why am I sharing this story? Because I want you to know, it's okay to struggle. It's okay to make mistakes, but never, ever stop trying. If I can learn English, so can you. Start small. Be patient. Celebrate every little success. And remember, English is not just a language, it's a way to connect, to grow, to dream bigger. Thank you for watching my story. If you found this inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.